Hi, my name is Swati, and just yesterday I delivered a baby girl, and now me and my husband both are feeling quite blessed that we are having our own child. This is my first child, and when this lockdown has started, we have decided to plan a baby. Before pregnancy, my life was quite hectic. I was quite busy in my job, and I was party freak also. Means I was kind of person who used to do party a lot. But when I got pregnant, my lifestyle has changed, and for that I consulted our doctor, and I informed her everything about my lifestyle before the pregnancy, and then she suggested me how can I change my life, what should I do, what should I follow now, and what kind of exercise, what kind of yoga should I do, what kind of diet I should take. So everything helped me during this pregnancy journey. Everything, all the suggestions, all the recommendations helped me a lot.
Hi, I'm Dr. Deepika Agarwal, lead gynecologist and obstetrician at CK Birla Hospital. I bring along myself with me 22 years of experience. For almost 15 years I was in London, and I'm an advanced labor ward practitioner from UK, apart from them water birthing specialist and also laparoscopy specialist. Now, so Swati came to me along with her husband early in pregnancy, and when there was all this pandemic going on, this couple decided that there is a time when they can be spending more time to each other, and they planned the pregnancy, so which I very well supported them. They were very keen to have normal birthing. So throughout the antenatal period, we used to have discussions about what options they can have pain relief in labors, how she can maintain herself fit, what is the kind of diet she is eating. And the most important thing I always emphasized to Swati was that she should be staying active till the very end, and because that really helps when you're coming in labor.
So when I got pregnant, we were searching for the best maternity hospital in the Gurgaon, and then one of our friend recommended CK Birla Hospital, and he said that CK Birla Hospital is one of the best maternity hospital in the Gurgaon. We came to CK Birla Hospital and got to know all the facilities and about the doctors. When I entered in my third trimester of my pregnancy, I was quite worried about the normal delivery. Actually, what I know about Dr. Deepika, she is quite famous for the normal deliveries. So I was thinking that okay, fine, my delivery would be normal, but still I was quite worried about my delivery. I asked her in ultrasound also, I asked her, my baby is in right position or not, I'll be able to deliver a normal baby or not. And I was quite happy because Dr. Deepika always supported me for this. She always told me, don't worry about anything, everything will be fine. You just need to follow some tips, whatever I'm saying, just follow that and you will be able to deliver a normal and healthy baby. So I'm really thankful to Dr. Deepika, because my pregnancy journey, she helped me a lot, and even in the third trimester when I was quite anxious, quite nervous about my delivery, she helped me, and she supported me throughout my pregnancy.
When Swati came in labor, she was very calm because she was very well educated about the expectations. She knew what she has to do. We went through some breathing exercises during the labor process which can keep her relaxed, and when it came to delivering the baby, there was very minimal noise in the room, and she really pushed very well. She was calm, she was composed, she was keeping a control of herself.
When I was in the process of that delivery, that time I was in such a pain that pain was unbearable for me, but Dr. Deepika that time helped me a lot. She supported me, and she gave me all that, you can say, support that I can do normal delivery. After delivery, all the staff members, all the housekeeping and the nursing staff of CK Birla Hospital, they helped me a lot. Even in the night, means I delivered my baby early in the morning, and all the time during all the labor pain, when I was going through the labor pain in the night, all the staff members were present there and they helped me a lot. They supported me. If you have any doubt, if you want to means anything, if you want to know about the things, they can come to you anytime you want, and they are always present. They are always ready to help you, and the doctors are quite friendly. Even in the night, whenever I need doctor, they are present. Whenever I needed them, they were there. So I am so happy, means I am so thankful to all the staff members of CK Birla Hospital during this journey. I'm really thankful.
What I found very incredible about Swati and her husband was he was very supportive, and not only that, we as care providers were supporting her, it's him also who supported her a lot. And in the end, she had a beautiful normal vaginal delivery and had a baby girl. So a lot of congratulations to both of them, and I wish them a very happy parenthood life. Thank you.